Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening essentials with what we believe is the best 50-foot water hose heavy-duty option out there, the Flexzilla garden hose. Let's get into why this hose is making waves among gardening enthusiasts. First off, let's talk flexibility. The Flexzilla garden hose is engineered with a flexible hybrid polymer that sets it apart from traditional hoses. This means it's extremely flexible, even in sub-zero temperatures. So whether you're watering your garden in the scorching heat of summer or tackling winter chores, this hose won't stiffen or crack. And that's not all. Thanks to its zero memory feature, this hose lays flat and stays put without twisting or kinking. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles and knots. Plus, it's lightweight, making it a breeze to maneuver around your yard. Now, let's talk durability. The Flexzilla doesn't compromise on strength. It's built tough with abrasion-resistant outer cover and crush-resistant anodized aircraft aluminum fittings. This means it can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, ensuring it lasts you for seasons to come. But what about leaks? Rest assured, this hose features leak-free connections, thanks to its durable O-ring. You'll get a long-lasting, leak-free connection every time, giving you peace of mind while you water your garden. Now, here's something that sets the Flexzilla apart: it's drinking water safe. That's right. The inner tube material is designed to be safe for drinking water, making it perfect for watering your plants or even filling up your pet's water bowl. To sum it up, the Flexzilla garden hose is the ultimate combination of flexibility, durability, and safety. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this hose is sure to make your gardening tasks a whole lot easier. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade to the Flexzilla garden hose today and experience the difference for yourself. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy gardening!